I don't collect just one thing.
A bunch of objects that are the same that a person gathers for some kind of purpose.
A group of things that all have some meaning to someone. They don't have to have meaning to anybody else, but it should have meaning to like whoever's gathering them.
Whether it's like a passion or an interest or they're studying something or all of those.
I don't remember exactly when I started, but probably the first things that I started collecting that sort of meant something a little more significant would be like Pogs and Pokemon cards were probably the big things.
I think of like stamps. I probably is like the most general kind of collection that anybody would think of, or coins.
Things that little boys collect, like rocks. I like rocks, fossils, things like that.
Yeah, it can be small, like like 3 sock monkeys. I don't think 2 sock monkeys would count as a collection.
I like snow globes a lot. I only have like maybe like 3 or 4. I wouldn't have like 20. That's just too much.
I like books.
I like a lot of nerdy things, so that's a part of it.
One point I said I like to collect knives, but I mean, I don't really collect them per se. I just kind of, well, I guess you could say I collect them, but I just have maybe like 6 or 7.
I've never considered myself to like be a collector of anything. I think I've attempted to collect things like movie tickets, but for me, like, I wouldn't. It just doesn't match my personality. Like, I don't gather things just to gather them, even if they do interest me. I think it's also, I get the purpose of it. I think I understand why other people do it, but for me, it just seems pointless. Like, when I tried collecting movie tickets when I was younger, I maybe collected like 10, and then I just stopped because I was just like, it's not worth it. Like, I didn't see the purpose of it for me because it's just like this material object that doesn't really mean much to me, and it's like, what am I gonna do with it?
People like chasing after things. Like, it feels good to look for things. It feels less good to get them. So it's like fun to look for the cards and to find them, and then to finally purchase them, get them. You found them at the store, you found them on eBay or whatever. But it is honestly a little less exciting when you have them in your hand, because then it's like, okay, alright, these are cool, but they're just pieces of paper, so what do I do with them?